All right, Jeff. Now, how could someone who admitted that she committed murder against the murder of someone she says she loved talk about this in such cold and calculating demeanor?
You know, there's been many Jodis on the stand. That sometimes, you know, she's lawyer Jodi, sometimes she's meek and mild victim Jodi, sometimes she's just librarian Jodi. The reality is that what you just said, for a juror or somebody listening, is exactly right. You want to hear them say, "I am so sorry I had to kill
If only
Travis."
I could take that back.
You know, how can she just simply say, "Yeah, I'm ashamed"? It's crazy. And I think the jury gets it.
All right, Jeff, she says she was a victim of domestic violence and that she killed to defend herself. Is there any evidence of that at all in the trial?
Really very, very little. The kind of things that she says you might get, you know, a nun might do in parochial school. Okay, your mom slapped her, you know, on the wrist with a wooden spoon. And then there is the issue about whether her
Did you go to Catholic schools too, Jeff? I got slapped on the wrist with that.
Judge, it is an offense to every victim of domestic violence that she's claiming this. And I think that by her doing it, she may hurt legitimate victims of domestic violence who need that battered woman syndrome in court.
But what about
to dirty up the victim and say that Travis, you know, was controlling her, that Travis was a sexual deviant? It just dirty up the victim so they don't kill her.
Especially now that you see her appearance and you see how she's completely changed at 180. So yeah, let's change this.
You know, she's dressed like, you know, she's a nun with the collar and
Big
everything
difference.
Anyway, great panel. Dr. Sharp, Tanya Ryman, Jeff Gold. Thanks so much for being with us.